Meet the 2025 Toyota Prado, a bold return to boxy heritage, packed with modern tech and legendary off-road prowess. Ready to dive in? Exterior and heritage revived in August 2023 on Toyota's rugged GAF frame. The J250 nods back to the iconic 1980s J60 era with its upright, functional design. Powertrains and ride tech depending on your region. The Prado offers a 2.8L turbo diesel with 4.8V mild hybrid, 150 kilowatts, 500 Newton meters. A 2.4L turbo petrol hybrid, around 326 horsepower, 630 Newton meters. Or a 2.7L petrol, all tied to smooth 6 or 8-speed automatic. Stout off-road capability, built tough like the LC300. Prado features full-time 4WD with torsion center diff, electronic rear locker, low-range box, multi-terrain select and crawl control. New for 2025. Front stabilizer disconnect replaces KDSS on select trims. Interior and tech inside. It seats up to 7. With a 12 to 14 touchscreen featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital instrument cluster, JBL audio, HUD options, plus wireless charging and pan roof. Performance and experience on road. The Prado handles firmly EPs, improves low-speed traction and steering feel. Diesel fuel economy in Australia hits around 9 to 11 L100 kilometers under mixed use, while adaptive suspension smooths out rough terrain. Pricing globally. Launched mid-2024, $72,500 Australian dollars to $99,990. Pakistan is expected to get the Prado by late 2025, with prices around PKR 6.5 to 8 million. So is the 2025 Prado the perfect blend of nostalgia, tech, and off-road grit? Let me know what you think below. Hit subscribe for more deep dive automation videos next up.